Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Most iPhones, since iPhone 8 support Qi, MagSafe gives stronger alignment. Once done, clear the charging area and remove very thick cases. Make sure metal mounts or credit cards are out. Position the pad on a flat surface, plug it into a reliable USB adapter, and power it on. You want steady voltage. Unstable adapters slow or stop charging. From here, we'll place and align the phone so it actually charges efficiently. Now place your iPhone directly onto the charger and feel for that magnetic snap if you're using MagSafe, because correct alignment matters for charging speed. You'll see the charging icon on the lock screen or hear the confirmation chime. If not, shift the phone a little and recenter. Keep the phone and pad ventilated. Heat reduces efficiency. If you're using a non-MagSafe pad, slowly move the phone until the indicator appears. Make sure to avoid stacking devices or metal between phone and pad. To finish, leave the iPhone resting on the charger. Picking it up interrupts charging cycles and slows progress, so let it reach the percentage you need. If charging is slow, examine the adapter wattage and the cable to the pad, remove any case thicker than 3 mm, and eliminate metal or cards. If nothing changes, restart your iPhone. This clears software hiccups, and test a different certified charger. That single restart often fixes recognition issues, so try it before more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.